Hi, my name is Zach Lewis, and this is Zach's Dirt Bike Live. Today was a bit of a different day. My dad and I went in our boat this morning to have a drive around and test it. The reason we did this is because we hadn't used it over the winter, and we wanted to make sure that everything was in perfect working order. In the afternoon, we drove over to Weedens Ross Road to do some training on the motocross track. After that, we rode up the Waimak until we could get no further. Today was lots of fun. I hope you enjoy the footage. What's happening here is that I'm riding around the different tracks and seeing which loop is the best. Our first task is to go over all these hills or mounds of dirt, and we can't sit down for the whole loop. So what we have to do here is we have to stop on the side of a hill and try to get up it without any feet on the ground. It's a lot more difficult than it looks. Keep stalling.
Yeah, we're not giving enough revs, and the only reason why you're putting your feet down is because you're not taking off fast enough and you're trying to steady yourself. So you just need to...
Well, it's not a bad thing you're trying to steady yourself.
Yeah, but we just want to try and improve our skill level. So what you need to do, as soon as you wind that, you're doing very well with this. So you're holding that, as soon as you wind your accelerator on like that, yeah?
Yeah.
Let that go. Away you go.
Alright.
Okay. You wait there and I'll do one. Okay?
Right. funny thing about this is that Dad actually can't get up it as well. See, it's harder than it looks.
I did it first time and now I can't do it.
It's a lot harder than it looks.
Okay, we're going to do figure of 8 standing up.
Now we have to do figure 8 standing up. I'm pretty terrible at these, so we'll see how I go. And now for the final bit of the ride, going up the Waimak.